these are the best days that we have. 'Cause in this life you can't go back, so you gotta enjoy it while it lasts. I'll revel in this moment as the rain comes pouring down. I know that I'll make it out this nowhere town. I can see beyond the mountains, blue horizons all around. And I know that I won't waste it, so don't waste it, 'cause you gotta enjoy it while it lasts. 'Cause these are the best days that we have.